to what we have today. And the first thing to do is go to Chrome. If you have Chrome, or you can use any browser, then come to this website called www.cleanpng.com. I believe you can see it up here, cleanpng.com. All right, so you can search for, you can get PNG images from there. I think I have a video on 5 most powerful sites where you can get this transparent images from, so you can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description too. So search, right, over 80,000 results. Wow, this is awesome. All right, so we're going to check for one to download. You can download any of them, but I'm just, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just get one. All right, so I'm using Samsung, so let me just get this Samsung phone. Though this is different from mine anyway. All right, okay, so free download, everything just free, everything is just free. All right, so you can narrow the search to the specific kind of phone you're using. Maybe you're using an iPhone, or well, you may not be able to use a Pixellab on iPhone, but you can still do this. And I'm still going to give some tutorials on Canva, so I will do much about that later. All right, so it's downloaded already. So the other thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go to my Pixellab application. Once Pixellab is open, I'm going to let's make the background black. Let's make the background black very quickly. Okay, so I'll just bring in that from gallery. So I'm just going to bring this in right now from my gallery, and then I'm going to place it right here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, this is actually transparent, so it's quite easy. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my Facebook, and maybe I'm going to just make a screenshot. All right, so I'm going to make a screenshot of my Facebook account. Okay, so all right, so I'm a Man United fan. All right, so let me make a screenshot. For example, I'm going to make a screenshot here. So all right, this is done. Okay, so I'm going to do, I'm going to go back there to the Pixellab application, and I'll bring that from gallery too, and then I'm going to place it right there. I'm going to place it right there on this stuff. All right, so okay, so what you need to do is you have to just enlarge it to the point where it gets okay to this. All right, so for this I need to crop this. All right, I need to crop this so that, you know, it fits in well. Okay, I need to crop this so it fits in well. So that's why I said you try to narrow the search to the type of phone you're using. It's going to help a lot. All right, so the next thing I can do here, I'll come and crop it. I'll just get it off from here. Okay, I think it's okay now. All right, so then I'm going to take this down. All right, so comes down, and this is what I have. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just merge both of them. I'll merge both of them, and then I have one stuff here. All right, so if you want to make a design and you want your stuff to reflect, you can see my account there. If you want to make it, place it slantly, you can just click on it. On the object editing tool, you can come to perspective, enable perspective, and then you can tilt it, you know, however you want it to be, however you want it to lay. You can just, you know, play around it and make it fit to according to how you want it to be. All right, so there's it. Okay, let's say want something like that. All right, you can see it, you can place it, and then maybe make your design or place it however you want it to be. All right, if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel so that, you know, you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos. Videos are uploaded every week, Fridays particularly. All right, thank you for watching. You have a good time.